What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. And today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4, how to fix the PS4 stuck on the loading screen. And here we go to the screen. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here I'm just trying to play a game, and after that you just stuck your loading screen or a game loading screen on your PlayStation 4. Simply you just press a power button so long, and then on the second beat you just get the safe mode. Simply go to the safe mode and rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, it will take just 1 hour or less than 1 minute, a second, some seconds, and after that the corrupted file will be deleted, and your application or a game also corrupted file will be deleted, and it will be fixed. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.